Hello, my name is Marvin Washington, former NFL player, Super Bowl champ, and now a New Jersey resident. When you talk about unity and like in sports, you're trying to reach that big common goal, and everybody comes together from different backgrounds, from different parts of the country, and what have you. And I think that's here. Everybody's come from different parts of the world, and you have that one common big goal that's bigger than yourself. Service to others is the rent you pay for being on this earth. And that's what I felt here. This moment, that moment, and this visit will always hold a special place in my heart. And, we're on this spiritual journey, and this is one of the best legs of my spiritual journey. When I meet like a pastor or priest, and this has only happened 4 or 5 times in my life, my spirit inside of me, it jumps. And I've met plenty of pastors, I've met plenty of priests, and when they just met, it doesn't always happen. And I can tell that's a true man of God, that's a true spiritual being. When I was in front of him this evening, my whole spirit lifted. Very moving experience, and will always hold a special place in my heart.